Ching chong, ba-da-ba-cha. See, that was my little theme music. What'd you guys think? Do not expect me to be able to do that theme music for the second time because I don't remember. But it's all good. I hope you liked it the first time and only time. All right, I like this Sublime Nature. You know, just like look, dude, that is photographs and that awe and inspire. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's look. I got a fork. Excuse me. It's natural, right? It's nature. Look at the buffalo running. Why is he? Why? How come you only got two of them running? Him and him are running. The other ones kind of look like they're kind of just kind of moseying around. Any which way. Look at the penguins. This is cool, man. Whoa. Trying to get just the pictures in there for you. Those were the beginning pictures. All right, now let's give grace, joy, peace. I mean, literally, you guys see that we have 4 different things to choose from. Yeah, as we know, this isn't going to be any in-depth article. What is this? What the? Like, those are people. Where is that? Cave of Crystals in Chihuahua, Mexico. Oh, I know how to solve this problem. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take like a small little picture for you guys of some and then, well, no, I'll just do some research on them. If I find something, oh, look at that guy. That's an iguana eye. Wait a minute. Like, what do you mean an island collapses? Where does it go? So right here it says after a small atoll island collapses, like magnificent azure sinkhole remains, surrounded by coral in the Blue Hole National Monument Lighthouse in Belize. So wait a minute. There's a sinkhole. Why is it? I don't understand that. Why doesn't the water just fill it up? That is very confusing. I will have to. We're talking about. So we got a couple different ones, but we're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. That doesn't make any sense. I like that Leonardo da Vinci said this: simplicity is the ultimate form of sophistication. Let's kind of go further. Oh, that's a beautiful picture, but. That's an awesome one. I like the picture holding the bird holding the butterfly. Oh, it's dolphins. Look at that. That's majestic. Is that even real? What is that? The twisted and contoured branches of an ancient bristlecone pine lie silently amid a snowy wooded landscape in California White Mountains. That is a cool tree. Lao Tzu. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful in picture. When you're there, it's probably freezing. You see all the snow. But with the moon in the day, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All nature wears one universal grin. Oh, that's a nice rainbow. It's really defined over here. Look at that. And then over here, it's a little. It's not quite as much, but that's awesome. Oh, look, he's doing a dance. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Yeah. Find out where joy resides and give it a voice far beyond singing. For to miss the joy is to miss all. Robert Louis Stevenson. This is a Verox Sifaka, hops from tree to tree across open ground in the spiny desert of southern Madagascar. All right, I mean, honestly, I think you guys seen enough pictures. Uh, Hopefully, these pictures incited you a little bit, and you want to like look at some of them for yourself. What's this? One touch of nature makes the or the whole world kin. All right, William. Oh wow, look at that picture. Let's keep going. Emily Dickinson said, "Hope is the one thing with feathers that perches in its soul and sings the tune without words and never stops at all." That can be a very dangerous statement. Very dangerous. What is that? It's some kind of animal. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's a seal. I would have never guessed it was a seal. But yeah, it's a seal. Look at his nose. You see him? See him over here. It says, I can't get it in focus. Whatever. I'll let you guys look at this and I'll read it to you. Sensitive whiskers twist and curl on the snout of a bearded seal in Svalbard, Norway. In Norway. And this is the last one, and we're going. By William Blake. To see a world in a grain of sand, and a heaven in a wildflower, hold affinity in the palm of your hand, and eternity in an hour.